Clonallon Laboratories focuses on the production of customized single-use procedural packs, supplying them to both public and private clients. The company's primary target customers include surgical practitioners, hospitals, and private health clinics. However, the expertise within Clonallon Laboratories has made them a major competitor across the healthcare industry. Their products have multiple international accreditations, including the use of European Conformity Mark products, which are sourced from approved suppliers. Clonallon understands that reliability and trust are vital traits when operating within the healthcare industry. They pride themselves on high-quality, practical products delivered in a timely manner. In order for Clonallon Laboratories to expand their business and become a global competitor, they must take advantage of emerging markets. Emerging markets exhibit large economic growth. Expanding into an emerging market allows Clonallon to increase sales and therefore increase their return on investment. By diversifying Clonallon's business model, the company is better able to weather economic hardship. With this in mind, it was decided that the emerging foreign market to target was India. Namaste. The population of India currently sits at around 1.3 billion people, a growing economic infrastructure, the world's largest democracy, and the world's third largest economy in terms of purchasing parity, provides businesses with a large, dynamic, but collective audience. Economic liberalization in the early 90s loosened controls on foreign trade and investment, resulting in long-term stable GDP growth. The healthcare market in India is expected to reach $372 billion by 2022, driven by rising incomes, greater health awareness, adverse lifestyle decisions, and increased availability of health insurance. The hospital industry has forecasted a compound annual growth rate of 16 to 17%, reaching approximately $133 billion from a previous $62 billion. There is an increasing demand for greater healthcare in India. Hence, there has also been an increase in the demand for medical professionals. The world's largest government-funded healthcare scheme, Ayushman Bharat, was launched on September 23, 2018. The medical device sector in India alone is valued at $5.1 billion and is largely driven by imports and is expected to grow 11% every year until 2020. Why not be a part of the already thriving industry? The Indian Ministry of Finance currently has the import duty set at 5% on scientific and technical instruments. However, this is extremely low in comparison to other emerging markets. From our research, we have identified 3 UK competitors who are already operating in India. In terms of domestic competition, Atlas Surgical appears to be the largest in scale and is also a member of the Engineering Export Promotion Council, Government of India, Indian Trade Promotion Organisation, and the Delhi Chamber of Commerce. India is a culturally diverse country. This can be problematic when attempting to apply a standardized market strategy. However, there are similarities throughout India's states. It is broadly accepted that English is the language of business. India is identified as a collectivist country, and the importance of family and other in-groups is a shared characteristic amongst Indians. Concern for group welfare is also important to Indian culture, yet social hierarchy is still strong. The growing demand for quality healthcare and the absence of matching mechanisms has created an institutional void in the Indian healthcare industry, which certainly creates a great opportunity for Clonallon. Demand and development of super specialty hospitals is also expected to grow, which presents opportunity for foreign investment. Distribution in new markets can be extremely difficult. A solution to this issue is to collaborate with local distributors. Surya Krupa are a well-established local medical distribution company. This enables Clonallon Laboratories to access valuable local market knowledge and make use of already established distribution channel relationships. Surya Krupa has one of the largest distribution networks for medical equipment, hosting 21 locations across India, boasting almost one in every state. They also currently distribute for UK company Intersurgical, delivering to hospitals, institutions, wholesalers and retailers. Clonallon continues to remain competitive on price, keeping quality consistent through well-established relationships with their suppliers. The company can improve their cost efficiency, resulting in 2 possible scenarios. If product prices remain fixed, Clonallon will experience an increased profit margin, or if product prices are reduced, Clonallon will have a more competitive market position, without affecting their net profit. Moving into an emerging market allows Clonallon to sell more products than it would be possible at home, allowing various costs to be minimised. The NHS are in collaboration with India and have connections with the Indian healthcare system. Thus, expanding into this market can be assisted by the NHS, who offer a key marketing opportunity for Clonallon. A venture of this magnitude means that Clonallon must utilise their trusted reputation within the UK to appeal to the Indian healthcare system. Clonallon's medical kits save time and money for Indian healthcare professionals, making a difference in a concerningly weak medical infrastructure. If Clonallon should pursue a venture into the Indian market, they must be aware of certain cultural aspects surrounding business. Indians are a highly spiritual and symbolic race. Every industry is sensitive to certain cultural implications, and the medical sector is no different. Sushruta Samhita is an ancient Indian text based on surgical procedures. Sushruta is a godlike figure, considered the father of surgery. Such a figure can be utilised by Clonallon to engage with an Indian audience. Rebranding or relabeling of certain surgical kits may result in the establishment of a strong relationship with the Indian demographic. With this in mind, we have developed 3 key marketing strategies. Number 1, take advantage of their positive relationship with the NHS. Number 2, establish a connection with a local distributor. And number 3, adapt certain aspects of the marketing mix to ensure successful entry to market. India presents a great opportunity for Clonallon to expand internationally into an emerging market, putting them on the map as a major global competitor.